Steampunk robots, the tireless workforce of a bygone future, are essential to the functioning of society. These mechanical marvels perform tasks too dangerous or monotonous for humans. From maintaining the sprawling infrastructure to assisting in delicate surgeries, their presence is ubiquitous. These automatons are powered by intricate clockwork mechanisms and fueled by steam or electricity. Their designs are often inspired by nature, mimicking the movements and structures of living creatures. The aesthetics of steampunk robots are a blend of Victorian elegance and industrial functionality. Their brass and copper bodies are adorned with gears, pipes, and gauges, showcasing the beauty of engineering. However, the reliance on steampunk robots raises ethical questions about automation and the role of humans in society. Some fear that these machines will eventually replace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. Others argue that robots can free humans from tedious labor, allowing them to pursue more creative and fulfilling endeavors. The debate over the role of steampunk robots in society continues to rage, with no easy answers in sight. Some advocate for stricter regulations on the use of robots. Others believe that innovation should not be stifled. Ultimately, the future of steampunk robots and their role in society will depend on the choices we make today. Will they be a force for progress or a harbinger of dystopia? The answer lies in our ability to harness their power responsibly and ethically. Steampunk robots, though inanimate, reflect our own hopes, fears, and aspirations for the future. They are a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of our responsibility to shape a better world. As we move forward, let us strive to create a future where steampunk robots serve humanity, not the other way around.